Median of the data gives middlemost value of the data, we can say. Okay, now for group data we have formula of median as L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, where L is lower limit of median class. After finding median class, lower limit of that class we can consider as L. N means number of or frequency, you can say. Okay, see, in previous examples or to find mean and mod, we used to write sigma fi for frequency, total number. So here means that only sigma fi, you can say. Okay, frequency. Then CF is cumulative frequency. This cumulative frequency we should take from the preceding class of the median class. Cumulative frequency of from the preceding class of median class. And F will be frequency of median class, and H is class size. So question 1 is given as the following frequency distribution gives monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers. Okay, 68 means this total number of consumers are given as 68. Sigma fi, you can say, or for this particular example n is 68. That is sigma fi. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So now we know median is what? Median is given by the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So before that we should find all these things, isn't it? All these variables we should find, and before that we should add one column called as cumulative frequency column, CF column. How we can add this column in given data? See, first element, first frequency you should write as it is, then add 4 and 5 to get next element, next CF. Okay, you can call it as a zigzag addition. 9 plus 13 you write here, so 22. Then 22 plus 20, 42. Then 42 plus 14 means 56. Then 56 plus 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. Okay, so this is like zigzag addition. Now you must remember one thing, total, this will be always total of the frequency. Okay, so here already it was given 68 and we got 68. So this total is 68, isn't it? So this total and last entry of the CF column should be same. Okay, now n is 68. Okay, n is 68. We will find n by 2. N by 2 means 68 by 2, that is 34. Now this 34 we should check nearest greater number than 34 in CF column, which is 42, isn't it? So corresponding class will be your median class. So median class will be, always check nearest greater number than n by 2. Okay, so here n was 68, n by 2 34, so greatest number, nearest greater number is 42. Okay, 56, 64, 68 are also greater number than 34, but I am saying nearest greater you should consider. So median class is 125 to 145. So L will be lower limit of the median class, isn't it? And CF will be, this will be F. F is what? Frequency of median class. So median class is this, so frequency is 20. And CF will be preceding CF of the median class. So this we can treat as CF, preceding for CF of median class. So CF will be 22, and H, if you observe, 85 minus 65 means 20. Okay, so all these variable value we should substitute here to get median. So F is 20 plus n by 2 is 34, CF is 22, F is 20, this is L, okay, this is L, not F, so 125 will come, into H is 20. Okay, so this 20 we can cancel here. Now 130, 125 plus 34 minus 22 will give 12. So final answer will be 137.